postage, postage, realtor, realtor, wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow, classified, classified, consulate, consulate, decidedly, decidedly, bazaar, bazaar, inaugurate, inaugurate, institute, institute, institution, institution, oversight, oversight, alumni association, alumni association, expatriate, expatriate, sojourn, sojourn, expedite, expedite, reciprocal, reciprocal, surplus, surplus, complementary, complementary, compensate, compensate, indemnity, indemnity, accommodate, accommodate, reception, reception, petition, petition, refreshments, refreshments, cater, cater,